Welcome to this AutoCAD tutorial where we'll explore the DLI and DAL commands. DLI dimension linear. The DLI command creates linear dimensions between 2 points. Select the first point, then the second point, and the dimension line appears. Customize the dimension style using the Properties panel. The DAL command creates aligned dimensions for objects that are not horizontal or vertical. Select the first extension line, then the second extension line, and the dimension line aligns with the object. Again, adjust the dimension style as needed. Remember, mastering these commands ensures accurate and consistent dimensions in your drawings.